Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji.
Thank you, sir. This is a little amendment to the bill, which is the Industries Development and Regulation Amendment Bill 2015. And the bill which is being presented here today is as was passed by the Lok Sabha. So I'm glad the members who participated in the discussion have really gone through the details of the bill. Very quickly, I would recall that this is something which the Supreme Court had broadly indicated in its judgment in '97. And since then, at different times, different action had been taken up. However, because there were some cases which were pending, actually speaking, since 2008, this has gone through a lot of waiting. 2012, there was a cabinet note circulated. Opinions were gathered from different ministries. However, the bill couldn't be placed in time. As a result, as soon as this government came in, we picked it up because this is a matter which has been considered by the cabinet, and the cabinet had moved a note, an instruction had been, the judgment had come from the Supreme Court. It was necessary for us to act, and therefore, in 2014 onwards, we have started working, and it was placed in the Lok Sabha in 15, and it was duly passed. Very quickly, what it does is to just amend entry 26 in the first schedule of this Act from what it read as fermentation industries to now read as fermentation industries in bracket other than potable alcohol. It is this amendment which has now become necessary, and a few responses may be just in time and appropriate because members have raised certain issues which I would certainly like to respond. Honorable Member Bhaskar Rapolu had raised this issue of we should keep in mind litigations which might come in the future. I just want to draw his attention to the Act itself, the bill which has been placed before this House, wherein under number 2, there is 29(3). That entire paragraph has been inserted only to keep in mind any possibility of a future litigation that might arise, which is a very legitimate point that the member has raised. And I'm not sure I need to spend time of this valuable House reading that paragraph, but that is, that's what I'm saying. 29E, which is there, definitely does take care of that concern which you have raised. Then Mr. Ramakrishnan, honorable member, spoke, and I'm glad he said, I'm grateful also Mr. Rapolu did support the bill. I'm very grateful to him, and as did Mr. Ramakrishnan. But he said, whilst the amendment is simple, there is a larger issue that he would want to address. I certainly would want to answer as much as I can in that matter. Central excise duty governs all industries, but in alcohol industry alone, this power is with the states, and that is leading to a lot of ambiguity. I would want to draw his attention to the fact that during the consultation which happened, the Department of Revenue had given its viewpoint on it, and I just want to assure the member here that the input which has come from Department of Revenue duly addresses his concern. I just would want to read that line which has been given from the Finance Ministry in its note, in responding to the note. It says, this expression potable alcohol is not familiar to the revenue. It is the excise department uses its nomenclature while taxing when imposing excise duty. As a result, does potable alcohol get taxed under the state? Does the center not have an excise duty? All this gets covered under the very way the excise department has responded, saying potable, non-potable, other than potable are not expressions that they use. they look at levying central excise duty on ethyl alcohol and other spirits denatured of any strength. So for them, it doesn't matter whether you're talking about potable or non-potable. They only go looking at that particular description. And therefore, I suppose Member Ramakrishnan should have a clarity now that this has been further explained. I'm also grateful to the BJD member Bhupender Singh ji, who supported this amendment. I too fully take his point that cooperative federalism can better work with greater execution, better execution of many of these acts. With these, I suppose I've addressed the questions and concerns raised by honorable members.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you. The question is that the Industries Development and Regulation Amendment Bill 2015 as passed by Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have, the ayes have, the ayes have. The motion is adopted. We shall now take up clause by clause consideration of the bill. Clause 2 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment, number 3 by Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman. Amendment.
I move the amendment.
Amendment moved. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Amendment is adopted. I shall now put clause 2 as amended to vote. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 2 as amended is adopted. Clause 3 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment, number 4 by Dr. T. Subbaram Reddy. He is absent. So amendment not moved. I shall now put clause 3 to vote. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 3 is adopted. Clause 1 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment, number 2 by Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
Move the amendment, sir.
Amendment moved. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Amendment is adopted. I shall now put clause 1 as amended to vote. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 1 as amended is adopted. Enacting formula stands part of the bill. There is one amendment, number 1 by Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
Move the amendment to the enactment.
Amendment moved.
Formula.
Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The amendment is adopted. I shall now put the enacting formula as amended to vote. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The enacting formula as amended is adopted. The title stands part of the bill. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The title is adopted. Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman to move that the bill as amended be passed.
Sir, those are the amendments we've introduced. I beg to move that the bill as amended be passed.
The question is that the bill as amended be passed. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The bill as amended is passed. Now special mentions.